Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can create your own 2023 season done video on CapCut with just a few clicks. So the first thing that you need to do is open your CapCut apps and then just head to the template tab, and in here click on the search column at the top and type in 2023 done or recap. So I'm going to just done, and after that you'll see there are lots of templates that you can choose. So you can just choose which one to use on the CapCut. So for example, I want to use this one. Click on the use template, then just select the photos or videos that you want to add to your 2023 recap. Okay, like this. I'm going to just add bunch of photos, and after that click on preview and let CapCut load the effects. And here it is, the recap or the 2020 done video that you create. You can just click on export at the top, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on a thanks, like, and also comment if you have any questions. Bye.